Eline, what's up? Welcome back. So it has been a while since I actually did like a regular tutorial. I'm always doing reviews and other videos, but it has been a while since I've done like a classic tutorial where I'm not like using all new products or stuff like that, just a good old tutorial. So I've been wanting to do a tutorial with bright like neon red lips for a while now, because my favorite liquid lipstick for the summertime is my Coral Crush by Dose of Colors. So I thought I would create a tutorial on how you can wear bright lips and combine it with like neutral eyes. So for my eyes, I also used my Give It To Me Straight palette by Colourpop. One of my subscribers asked if I wanted to feature it in a video, so that's what I did today. I created this very simple eye that is super easy to recreate, and it is very neutral. It goes with a lot of different lip colors, as you guys can see. So if you want to see more tutorials, then definitely give this video a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so to prime my skin, I'm using my Essence Prime Plus Studio HD Hydra Primer Spray. This is a really quick and easy way to hydrate and prime the skin. Then I decided to test out the Catrice Prime and Fine Smoothing Refiner, and I actually saw a difference. It really filled in my pores and smoothed out those areas, so I was really surprised and happy with that. I also applied it underneath my eyes. For foundation, I'm using my It Cosmetics CC Plus cream in the shade Light. This is a really good CC cream for the summertime because it has an SPF of 50 and I really like the coverage it has, so I'm just applying that with my beauty blender. Lately, I've been really into the Essence Color Correcting Liquid Concealer in the shade Pastel Pink. It really cancels out my dark circles and the formula is really thin and lightweight. For concealer, I'm using my trusty old No Filter Concealer by Colourpop. I'm in the shade 10 Light, but it is actually a little bit too light for me at the moment. Then I'm also going to apply my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden whilst I'm at it. That way I can blend in everything and set it all together. So to blend everything into my skin, I'm again using my Dem Beauty Blender. This is my favorite way to like blend in concealer and eyeshadow primer. And then to set everything, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. So I'm using it everywhere on my face, underneath my eyes, and then also to set that eyeshadow primer. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm again using my Colourpop brow color. This is in the shade Bangin Brunette. I decided to pick up a darker shade, but let me know what you guys prefer, the lighter one or this one. I think I prefer my lighter one, but let me know what you guys think. And then to set that, I'm using my Colourpop Brow Boss Gel. This is just a clear gel that is going to make sure that my eyebrows will last throughout the entire day and not melt off. Alright, so to add some shape and dimension back into my skin, I'm using my Makeup Geek contour shade in Infidelity, and I'm just applying it on the usual areas, so my cheeks, forehead, nose, and then also right underneath my chin. To warm that up a little bit, I'm using my Essence Luminous Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade Sunshine, and again I'm applying it on the same areas just to like add a little bit of warmth to my look. Then for blush, I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Blush. This is in the shade Nude Silk, which is a beautiful, like very neutral shade that goes with a lot of makeup looks. And again, the formula is absolutely heavenly. Then I applied a little bit too much, so I used my previous like powder brush to blend that out. Then moving on to highlight, I'm using my Colourpop Innuendo highlighter palette, mixing those two shades together and applying it on the usual areas until I look like a glazed donut. And what I mean by the usual areas is my cheeks, my cupid's bow, and then also the bridge of my nose and a little bit above my eyebrows. Of course, you have to set that all in place, especially during the summertime, and for this I'm using my Catrice Makeup Freezing Spray. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm using my Colourpop Give It To Me Straight Shadow Palette, which is so beautiful. Picking up the shade Matter of Fact, I'm going to use that to set my eyeshadow primer. Even though we already did that, I saw a little bit of creases. Then for my transition shade, I'm picking up the shade Downright and I'm applying it in my crease. And then what's left on the brush, I'm going to blend out slowly towards my eyebrows. To add some peachiness to the look, I'm applying the shade Truth Hurts, and I'm going to apply it on the same areas where I applied that transition shade, just a little bit lower. Then as always, before going in with my lid shade, I'm going to apply my NYX Glitter Primer. I always do this, but this provides a nice tacky base. Then for my actual lid shade, I'm picking up front and I'm applying it where I applied that glitter primer. This is a beautiful, beautiful like peachy champagne shade, and it is just right up my alley. I love these kinds of shades. Picking up my previous blending brush without any additional product, I'm going to use that to blend out the edges of my eyeshadow and just make sure that everything looks nice and seamless. Then I'm also using the shade up front to highlight my inner corners. Then for mascara, I'm using my Marcel Extensions Plus mascara. I love this mascara. It is so beautiful. And I also decided to apply some false lashes. These are $1 lashes by AOA Studio in Alexis. They are so beautiful. I love them. And then finally, for the finishing touch, I'm using my Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Coral Crush, which again is my favorite summertime liquid lipstick. It is so beautiful and intense. You need to get it. I love this shade so much. If you like bright orangey red shades, definitely get this shade. Alright guys, so that wraps up this makeup tutorial. So for me, this is definitely my go-to spring and summer makeup look. This is how I like to wear vibrant red lips, just a neutral eye and you're good to go. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys!
Say that it feels right.